Alright guys, just another quick update. I got the muffler on. I got the exhaust spring safety wire. I'm just stenciling in a little bit of graphics on the side. Himax. I got my EGT gauge installed, and I forgot to order the cylinder head temperature gauge, and I have to have that all hooked up before I can put the windshield back on. I got my brake assembly almost finished. But I ran short of the 1/16 inch wire. I didn't quite order enough to make the final connection there on the brakes. Let's see what else. I got a mount for my cell phone. And I got one wing covered and painted. Now I'm just finishing up the last wing. And then I got to cover the last two ailerons and paint them. And that'll be that on the update on the Himax. Peace out.